Well, yesterday was the election. Those and the results that came in last night were the unofficial. What we're happening here today is the canvass. Canvass is where they will verify the tabulations from the machines onto their what's called statement of results. Let me explain the procedures of what goes on in a canvass. First thing is that we check the tabulations to make sure that the numbers are correct with the statement of result, okay? That's the first step. We also have another step. After they do this, the second thing is that we, the electoral board, look at provisional ballots. Now, what is a provisional ballot? A provisional ballot is given to a voter who goes to their precinct. They find that they're not on the book. The chief will then check, call up the general registrar's office and say, no, they're not on the books, but we're not quite sure because they might have voted late on the, especially if they're new people at DMV. So what happens is that we, the board, then meet at 12 o'clock today, and we will look at those provisionals to see if they are actually a registered voter. If they are not, we cannot accept that provisional ballot. So those are some of the things that we look at. And also another thing about provisional is if you don't have any form of identification, the law says we give you until Friday till 12 noon to provide our office, the General Registrar's office, proof of your ID. On Friday, we will finish up the provisionals, we, the electoral board, and then we will do abstracts. The abstracts is the results of the election that we give to the State Board of Elections, and that's what they will certify.